Hey, so if you've been looking to build a business online, but you don't know exactly what to do, well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and a few years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed, I was depressed. I didn't know what I would actually do to make a full-time income online. I didn't know how I would do it, and I didn't know how I would get out of my situation. And it wasn't until I started to learn how to use tools to actually build my business online. Now I'm going to show you some results. Now these are my own personal results from today, and I'm going to put this out there. This is an income disclaimer that the average affiliates earn $347. Your earnings are not guaranteed. It all depends on your work ethic and your skill level of which you'll earn. If you don't do anything, you won't earn anything, right? This takes time, and this takes effort to build your business. This takes learning skills, and that's the only way that you're going to build a business online, a real business. If anybody gives you some hype saying that there's a push button system or a push button solution where you don't have to do any work, that's not true. That's not how this works. That's not how online marketing works. Now I'm going to show you my results from today. So this is from today. I just got paid out. It was over $1,000. It was $1,080, and this is 3/16. This is today, and I'm just using these tools to build my business online. So that was $1,000, and this was another 2 sales. And here's $100 right here from today. Here's another $100 from today. So that's over $1,200 in just affiliate commissions, not counting my traffic store that I actually built off of here. And if you don't know what my traffic store is, I'm going to show you. It's profitbuilderstraffic.com, and I built my entire store off these tools. Here's my store, which this also generates me an income online on top of using these tools. Now I'm going to show you what these tools are, so you're going to know exactly what they are. So basically, here's the Funnel Builders Academy. You're going to learn all about funnels. You're going to learn all about sales funnels. You're going to learn what to do. Here's your first steps. Here's the 3 simple steps to build any business online right here. And then you're going to learn how to set up your autoresponder. You're going to learn how to actually connect your domain to it, and be able to have a fully functioning sales funnel and business in a matter of a few hours, right? So here's all the steps that you need to take, and then you're going to learn all about sales funnels. So you're going to learn how to create your own pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do tracking, which tracking is very important. A lot of people don't track anything when they come to me for traffic, and they end up not knowing their stats, not knowing anything. So the tracking is very important. So you could track all your leads that come into your builder, and you know exactly where they came from. So if they came from Facebook, YouTube, if you're watching from YouTube, I know everybody that comes from YouTube. You're going to learn how to do your own products. You're going to learn how to do upsells and downsells. So that means if somebody buys, like if they come to a page like the one you're watching in front of me, they watch a video, they could click on a button for an upsell, or if they say no to one of your offers, it'll take them to a downsell. This also has the ability to do other things such as membership sites and everything like that. And as I'm telling you, my whole entire traffic business is built off these tools. This is a $25 a month funnel builder. It gives you a $20 a month commission. So from every $25, you get a $20 a month commission. So that's really amazing. So with only 2 sales, you're on profit with that. And then it even gets better. We have a traffic and conversion portion. The traffic and conversion portion is where you're going to learn all about different traffic strategies. You're going to learn about free methods, and also about paid methods as well. So you're going to learn everything from how to actually launch your own business, how to invite people, how to get leads with Facebook, how to actually follow up with your leads, how to rank with video, short form video, how to rank on YouTube overall. You're gonna learn an easy button, YouTube strategy to get a lot of traffic. You're gonna also learn about free Facebook methods that you could use. You're gonna learn about podcasting. You can learn about Facebook Lives and how to do them the right way, how to blog if you want to blog, and and you're also going to learn how to launch your own products in a 5-day launch formula, which is right here as well, right? And then there's but I recommend doing Facebook, YouTube, and email. That's what I do, and that's what you should do too. I believe that those are the 3 best strategies that you could use. Because if all the other platforms go down, you have your email list. YouTube is a long-term strategy, and it gets you the highest quality leads. And Facebook is for your, active marketing. So you should be actively marketing and talking to people on Facebook on a regular basis if you want to get results in your business, right? And then we have a tool right here. It's a content creation tool. So this tool, you type anything in this box, and it will help you to write your emails. It will help you to write posts. It will help you with any kind of writing you have to do. It's an AI tool. It's covered by us. You don't have to pay for it. And then we also have daily hands-on coaching. This is where the value comes in at. We have Monday night mastermind calls where we bring people out every Monday night to talk about what they're doing in their business. They could be people just like you. Maybe they're just getting started, or maybe they've been in the industry for a while. Maybe they're getting a lot of results. They're going to share their results with you on the Monday night mastermind call. So it's really, really cool. You get to hear from other people. We have a daily mindset call. It's a Grow Rich call. It's open to the public, and it's for mindset. It's at 9 a.m. Eastern time every day, Monday through Friday. And then we have a TNC, a Traffic and Conversion, a Take Action Mastermind, where you can watch over the shoulder Monday through Friday and see exactly what we're doing in marketing to get results. So you get to actually watch every single day so you know exactly what to do. You can ask questions and you never get lost. With these two, with the funnel builder, you get that $20 commission. With the Traffic and Conversions, you get an extra $100 per month per sign up. So the Traffic and Conversions portion is $125. You get a $100 commission, and the funnel builder tool is $25. So altogether, these two tools right here are $150. You get a $120 commission. What does that mean for you? That means with only 25 signups, you're making a total of $3,000 per month per signup, which is really cool. Or off of 25 signups, I mean. So if you want to get to $3,000 per month, just get 25 signups, and you're at $3,000 per month from using these tools. Because every signup will be $120 in commissions. After your second signup, you're $90 in profit, which is really, really cool. We have one more product right here. This last product is Financial Literacy Academy. It teaches you how to manage your business and your taxes, how to eliminate debt. It teaches you about your finances. Then it teaches you how to actually invest and save in taxes, and how to plan for retirement, and also how to keep your records the right way for your business, so you know exactly what to do and you are on track with your business. And then when you start making money, you're going to have to invest so that way it's not taken in taxes. So these are investment strategies that you can learn. So this is how to avoid scams, and then how to invest. And then this is car flipping. Here we have mobile homes and profit with that. Here we have property-free asset management, stress-free property management, house flipping. And then we also have, asset protection, which these are things that you could use in order to, build your business online. This course right here is a one-time buy. So it's originally $1,000, and if somebody buys it for $1,000, you get an $800 commission. But when you first sign up, you'll get it at 50% off, and you'll actually get it at $500. So you can make a $400 commission. So depending on when people buy this last course, you're either making a $400 or $800 commission on top of the $120 per month. So let's say you came in, you got started, and you started using these tools. You started to show up on the live trainings. You started to get support, and you went out and you got 25 people that used the tools and signed up, and they're using them to build their business, right? 25 people, that's $3,000 per month. And then if they go all in, which they get Financial Literacy Academy, you're making an additional $400 or $800 in commissions one time. That's the difference between an extra $10,000 to $20,000 in commissions, depending on when they get this last product. Once you own this product, you don't have to buy it again. You can make those commissions over and over again. And I highly suggest you going all in. You also get, traffic bonuses from me as well when you go all in. And you have access to my team, which will build out whatever you need. I have a team which consists of, graphics designers and also, funnel building experts, which can actually help you to build out what you need, right? So you have access to that, and you have access to my custom funnel setup, which I don't really tell people about unless they go all in. You have access to that. You also have access to a copywriting conversion bonus that I give my all-in people to help you with your emails and your conversions and everything like that to make sure you get the best results possible. So you're also going to get those bonuses as well when you go all in. And the cool thing is you could go all in and do a 3-pay option. So you're not paying the full $500 up front unless you really want to get it out the way. You'll save a little bit of money if you pay up front, right? So that's everything. Everything all together is $525 one time, then it would be $150 per month, and you get a $120 commission from that $150, right? And you'll be able to actually build out whatever you need and actually get on the live coaching calls. And the goal is to be able to plug your people that sign up with you into the system, so that way you have a hands-off business. And that's exactly what I've done to be able to make my commissions and make a $1,200 day today. You could do the same thing if you stay consistent and you are very active with your marketing. All right. So if you want to get started, if you're watching this video from YouTube, make sure you click on the link below this video. If you're watching from my email list, click on the link inside this email and get started with me today. And I will give you all the bonuses that I have, and you will get daily support in the Profit Builders Alliance group. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you get into my free Facebook group as well. The link is also below this video. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.